Hi, this is Divya, Assistant Professor, Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. This video is continuation of the previous video where we are going to consider the design considerations of vacuum and other type of grippers. Okay, here we have the leakage detection and prevention. How does the leakage in the vacuum grippers or in other type of grippers to be detected and to be prevented, right? Incorporate features for leak detection and prevention. Incorporate features for, we have to incorporate certain features to prevent leakage and to prevent and detect leakage. Regularly check for leaks in the system and implement measures to minimize the risk of air leakage. Okay, regular check for leakage in the system to be implemented. Object shape and size. Consider the shape, size and weight of the object to be gripped. As I told you in the previous video, we have different shapes on the table, right? In the diagram we have seen different types of different shapes. It will pick only the gripper will pick only the triangular shape box, okay, or a triangular shape. According as like that, the gripper shape to be designed according to the gripping object which is going to be gripped. Okay, consider the shape, size and weight of the object to be gripped. Design the vacuum system to accommodate various objects, geometrics and weights. Next is release mechanism. Once the object is gripped, how it is going to be released in other place? Okay, it is going to place in other area, right? How it is going to be released? Implement a reliable release mechanism to safely and quickly release the gripping objects when needed. We have to implement a reliable relay mechanism. Okay, relay mechanism to land it safely and quickly, which is to be required. Okay, this is crucial for automated systems where precise control is essential. This placing safely and quickly is a very crucial part in the automated systems. Okay, dust and debris handling. How does the dust and debris to be handled? Consider the presence of dust and debris in the environment. Design filters and protective measures to prevent the entry of contaminants that could affect the performance of the vacuum system. What we have to do is that we have in general environment we have dusts and debris, right? To avoid that, we can design a filter and a protective measure to prevent the entry of contaminant airs that could affect the performance of the vacuum system. Okay. Next is temperature consideration. How the temperature should be considered? Take into account temperature variation in the operating environment. Okay, in operating environment we are going to take the temperature into an account, right? We definitely need the temperature to be measured. Extreme temperature can affect the performance of the vacuum system, so design components to withstand temperature fluctuations. Okay, temperature is a very essential one for the vacuum system. Why? Because we are going to pick and place according to the vacuum's present, right? Once the temperature gets increased, the vacuum will be very low. So according to that, the system should be designed. Cycle time and throughput. Cycle time, how many cycles it should take? We'll have 5 minutes, it should pick and place 10 objects, right? If it is designed according to that, the cycle to be maintained correctly and the output should be very exact. Optimize the system for efficient cycle time and high throughputs. This is particularly important in automated process where speed and productivities are critical. This is very important. The time and throughput is very important in the automated process where for a second we should generate how many products to be placed and picked and placed, right? Maintenance accessibility. Design the system to be easily accessible for maintenance tasks. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and reliability of the vacuum systems. We have to consider temperature, throughput, efficiency, all those things, size and shape of the grippers, and finally we have to maintain all those things very carefully. We have to regularly maintain it, we have to clean it, okay? We have to service it properly. Once if anything went fault, we have to service it immediately. Once it is serviced, the process will be done very quickly. Safety measures. Implement safety features to prevent accidents or damages. This is very essential in all the robots. This may include emergency stop mechanism and fail-safe design. This safety measures is very important, which is used to prevent accidents or damages. This may include emergency stop mechanism and fail-safe designs. Thank you.